Experience ultimate relaxation with the best hot tubs designed for comfort, performance, and durability. Whether you need a spacious option for entertaining or a compact model for solo soaks, high-quality hot tubs offer powerful jets, ergonomic seating, and efficient heating systems. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best hot tubs you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Intex PureSpa Jet and Bubble Deluxe brings the perfect balance of comfort and luxury with its octagonal inflatable design, comfortably fitting up to 4 people. This spa delivers a premium hydrotherapy experience, combining 120 high-powered bubble jets with high-performance water jets for deep relaxation. The water temperature reaches a soothing 104 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for unwinding after a long day. A removable wireless control panel, featuring integrated wireless charging and an impressive 48-hour battery life, easily attaches to the tub for effortless operation. The advanced saltwater sanitation and hard water treatment systems keep the water clean and gentle on the skin, reducing maintenance needs. The Intex Link Spa Management app offers full control of all spa functions via Wi-Fi, allowing remote operation from your phone or tablet. Program water temperature, activate jets, or schedule maintenance from anywhere. Built with hydro-aeration technology for superior water quality and enhanced circulation, this spa is designed for the ultimate at-home relaxation experience. The Lazy Spa Dominica offers a premium relaxation experience, accommodating up to 6 people with a spacious 77-inch diameter and a comfortable 57-inch interior. Its round design features a durable 3-layer DuraPlus construction with reinforced inner support, ensuring long-term stability. The elegant urban brown exterior and pebble mosaic look base add a sophisticated touch to any outdoor setting. With a water capacity of 242 gallons and a filled weight of 2,116 pounds, it balances portability with a solid, high-quality build. A high-performance heating system warms the water to a soothing 104 degrees Fahrenheit, while Frost Guard technology automatically activates heating at 43 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent freezing. The advanced massage combination includes 140 air jets and 4 hydrojet nozzles with 2 intensity levels, delivering a spa-like experience. A cartridge filter system handles 3 cartridges with a powerful 1,050 gallon-per-hour flow rate, keeping the water clean and clear. The flip-up soft-touch display and app control provide easy adjustments, while an earth detection system and FI residual current circuit breaker ensure safety. Child-safe clip locks and a button lock add security. The Intex PureSpa Plus is an inflatable hot tub that delivers a luxurious spa experience at a fraction of the price of high-end models. With 170 bubble jets, it offers a deeply relaxing soak, and its built-in hard water treatment system ensures a gentle feel on the skin. Despite its affordability, it boasts 14 times more jets than some premium options, making it an exceptional value. After 2 months of frequent use, we observed no significant impact on our energy bill, even with the jets running. The package includes essential accessories at no extra cost: an insulated cover, LED light, 2 filter cartridges, 2 inflatable headrests, a thermal ground cloth, an inflation hose, a carry bag, and a floating chlorine dispenser. 2 non-slip seats come with the tub, but we found it comfortable even without them. When filled completely, the structure remains sturdy, allowing users to rest against the sides without worry. We tested the 6-person model but found that 4 people fit more comfortably. The jet distribution is slightly uneven, with one side featuring weaker jets, but this does not significantly impact the overall enjoyment. The AquaRest Spa's DayDream is a luxurious 6-person lounger spa designed for comfort, efficiency, and performance. Featuring 30 hydrotherapeutic stainless steel accent jets, this spa delivers a customizable massage experience with dual-side air controls, targeting sore muscles with precision. The therapeutic lumbar arch support and multi-level jet placement ensure maximum relief and relaxation. Built with durability in mind, the DayDream Spa features a uni-body shell crafted from 100% recyclable impact-resistant polyethylene. Engineered for energy efficiency, it includes extensive E-insulation and an ASTM-certified locking thermal cover, reducing energy costs while maintaining optimal water temperature. The EZ Clean filtration system and factory-installed ozone purification system keep water crystal clear, minimizing the need for chemicals and maintenance. Enhance your spa experience with the Dayglow Waterfall, offering 9 LED color settings and dual cascading water streams to create the perfect ambiance. Exterior corner cabinet LED lighting further elevates the nighttime aesthetic. Available in Keystone Black Onyx or Coffee, the spa's rhombus ridge paneling adds modern sophistication to any outdoor space. The Canadian spa company Okanagan is a premium hot tub that delivers luxury and relaxation in a compact design. With a circular layout, it comfortably seats up to 4 adults, making it a great choice for small patios or decks. Its 10 stainless steel hydrotherapy jets offer a powerful, spa-like massage with customizable positioning and direction for a personalized experience. While it has fewer jets than some competitors, its performance is impressive, providing deep and effective hydrotherapy. Measuring 63 inches in diameter and 29 inches deep, the Okanagan offers full shoulder submersion, unlike many similarly sized hot tubs. It features an ozone generator and a microban filtration system, reducing chemical use while keeping the water crystal clear and bacteria-free. A color-changing LED light enhances the ambiance, allowing for a customized experience. The plug-and-play design makes installation easy. No need for a professional. It also includes a hard top cover for added protection. Despite its higher price tag, the Okanagan stands out for its durable build, efficient filtration, and luxurious hydrotherapy. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.